Hi guys. So this is a optional practice video for you if you're having a hard time with those 8 glued sounds. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice those 8 glued sounds. We're going to go do the drill sounds with them. And then we're going to do some words, and that's it. We're just really going to focus on words that have those glued sounds. We're not going to add the suffix. We're just going to focus on words that have those 8 new glued sounds so that you get some more practice with those, okay? So let's do some drill sounds, and we're only focusing on the 8 new sounds that we've learned this week. Are you ready? U-N-G, lung, ung. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. A-N-G, fang, ang. O-N-G, song, ong. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-G, ring, ing. U-N-K, junk, unk. So ladies and gentlemen, there are 8 sounds, but they're all very similar to each other. So you have to remember that we have NG sounds and we have NK sounds. And I'm actually going to spin this around so that you can see it without the lines because it'll be less confusing. So we have NG sounds and we have NK sounds. Okay? And there's 4 of each, and each one has a vowel in front of it. So think about your vowels. We have A, E, I, O, U. The only vowel that does not have an NG or an NK sound is E. All right? So if we want to make an NG sound, we need to pick a vowel and put it in front of NG. So let's pick I. I-N-G. What does that say? Ing. All right. Let's pick another vowel. We've already done that one. How about O? O, we're going to put it in front of NG. N-G, ong. Okay, we've done O. How about A? We're going to put A in front of N-G. That makes ang. And then we're going to pick the last vowel, U. U in front of NG says ung. All right. I know it's a lot of sounds, but if you really think about that, it's just the vowel in front of NG. It's not that many sounds. Okay. Let's do NK. Same process. We're just going to pick a vowel, not E, and we're going to put it in front of NK. Let's pick A. A in front of NK becomes ank. All right. How about O? O in front of NK becomes unk. I in front of NK becomes ink. And then U in front of NK becomes unk. Okay, so like I said, there's 8 new sounds, but really you just need to remember that there's NG sounds and there's NK sounds, and then vowels go in front of them. All right, let's do some practice now with some words. All right, so I'm just going to pick some words, NG or NK, and we will tap them and we will write them. I'm hoping to do 12 words so we really can practice every sound with a few extras, okay? All right, let's do bonk. Like, ouch, you bonked. Well, no. I got a bonk on the head, bonk. Let's tap it. B-onk, bonk. Let's write it. Onk. Bonk. All right, next word. Hang. Please hang the picture on the wall. Hang. Let's tap it. Ang. Hang. Let's write it. That's that H sound. Ang. Hang. All right, let's do another one. How about link? Like, oh, we need to link that chain to that one. Link. Let's tap it. Ooh, ink, link. And now let's write it. Ooh, ink. Link. All right, clear your boards. Let's do it again. Let's do the word lung. Each side of your chest has a lung. Lung. Stop it. Ooh, lung. Let's write it. Ooh, ung. U-N-G. Ung. Lung. All right, next one. How about bang? That was a loud bang. Bang. Let's tap it. B-ang. Bang. Let's write it. B-ang. Listening for that beginning sound. Ang. That's A-N-G. Bang. All right. Next word. Yank. Please don't yank the book out of my hand. Yank. Let's tap it. Y-ank. Yank. Let's write it. Y-ank. Ank. A-N-K. Ank. All right, we're halfway done. Let's keep going. 6 more words, ladies and gents. All right, how about dunk? Like, please don't dunk me in the water. Dunk, like a dunk tank. All right, tap it. D-unk, dunk. Let's write it. D, that's a D sound. Unk. Dunk. All right. How about gong? Like you might find in some karate movies, or where they take a big old mallet and they hit a big cymbal and it goes gong. That's what a gong is. So let's tap it out. G-ong, gong. Now let's write it. G-ong. Gong. Now you know how to spell gong. That's pretty cool. All right, the next word, wink. Like I wink at you when I close one eye. Wink. All right, now let's tap it. Ooh, ink, wink. Ooh, ink, wink. All right, 3 more words and then we are all set. All right, let's do sank. Like the boat sank to the bottom. Sank. Tap it. Ank. Sank. Write it. Ank. Listening for that first sound. What vowel goes in front of the NK? Ank. All right. Next word. sing. Are you going to sing a song? Sing. Tap it. Ing, sing. We know that s is the S sound. Ing, listening for the first sound of that glued sound. Ing. That's the I, so that's the vowel, and it's ing. That's N-G. I don't hear that hard K at the end, so it's N-G, ing. Sank, sing, and our last word, let's do thank, like thank you. Ready? Ank, thank. That's a digraph. T-H, the thumb, th, ank. Listening for that first sound of the glued sound, ank. That's the A after N-K because it's got that hard K at the end. Thank. All right. That is the end of our practice session, you guys. I know that you guys are going to do a fabulous job on the test. Don't forget to listen and again to the sounds, repeat them. Make sure that you are watching the video and making sure that you're not messing up any sounds because you hear them but don't see them, okay? All right. Bye, guys.